Hey guys, Tony B and Chino from Outrun Your Fork. I'm here today with Stacy Clegg from Salt and Pepper Your Greens. Guys, we want to bring some real simple cooking to you, and I'm going to let Stacy take it away.
Yeah, hi. So I'm so happy to be here. Really wanted to just kind of address how I took control of my health. I decided to make a lot of my own foods, and one of them was salad dressings. It's simple, it's delicious, it's super fast. And when I make it, I will just do it for the entire week. So I'll quadruple the recipe. And so I'm good for salad dressing for the whole week.
Awesome. I am so excited to try this because you know what? I get somebody to cook for me.
Totally.
All right, so here we have some mixed greens that we got at Whole Foods and some red onions.
I thought we'd start with some pumpkin seeds. These are toppings, pomegranate seeds, and some Honeycrisp apple sliced up.
Those are delicious.
Thanks. I want to start off with a 1/4 cup of the extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of whatever acid you're using. I'm doing apple cider vinegar. You do a squeeze of honey, and then you do like a teaspoon of a Dijon mustard. You could also use a honey Dijon too if you just kind of want to skip 2 steps and just do 1. And then salt and pepper. I just do, it's probably a half a teaspoon. And then pepper, and use as much as you like.
Yeah, dude, this smells great. I wish you could smell this. And too bad for you because you're not going to get to try it, but we're about to have some salad. So guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed our segment. Stacy's going to be with us more and more, so come look for some more recipes. If you're looking for some simple recipes that you could do at home without all that clutter and without all that complication, we're going to be on more and more. So take a look at Stacy's Instagram account,
pancakes _ Stacy.
So you're going to see underneath here all the links so you can follow her and see more recipes. But that's it. I had a great time with you, Stacy. Thank you so much.
Yeah, awesome.
And we will talk to you guys soon.
Bye, guys.